In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create business email in Gmail. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Create Account page. This is the official sign-up page where you can make a new Google account, which also gives you access to a Gmail address. When the page loads, look for the option that asks what the account is for, and select the choice that says it is for your business. This helps Google tailor a few of the setup screens to a professional use case. After you choose the business option, continue to the next screen and click Yes. Continue when you see the confirmation prompt. From here, you will begin entering the basic information for the account. Type in your name or your company name, depending on how you want the account to appear when you send emails. Then enter the birthday details requested on the form. Make sure you enter accurate information, since account recovery and verification can sometimes depend on the details you provide. Next, you will choose your new Gmail address. This is the email name that will appear before the @gmail.com. Try to pick something professional and easy to recognize, such as your business name or a clear variation of it. If your first choice is taken, Google will suggest other available options. Take a moment here because changing your email address later is not simple. Once you have selected an address, create a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words or anything that is easy to guess. For security, do not reuse a password from another account. After that, Google will ask you to enter a recovery option such as an email address or a phone number that you will use for the company. This is important because it helps you regain access if you forget your password or if Google detects unusual activity. Use a recovery method you can reliably access and keep up to date. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to finish setup. You may be asked to review terms, confirm details, and complete verification. Once you complete those prompts, your business Gmail account is ready to use. And that is all there is to it.